Some dreams are bigger than the tiniest hearts. This is the story of one little duck who refused to give up.
In a quiet little village where the river whispered every morning, lived a tiny duck with a dream bigger than the sky. She didn't want to stay small forever. Deep inside her tiny heart, she imagined something beautiful, a warm little bakery filled with the smell of fresh bread.
Every morning, before the sun even rose, she carried her tiny basket of wheat through fields taller than herself. She worked because her dream was worth it.
They laughed at her. A tiny duck running a bakery? Her heart ached, but she didn't let it break her completely.
Instead of giving up, she started again. She cleaned the old shed, swept away the dust of doubt, and worked with all her heart. Her very first bread was a disaster. Smoke filled the kitchen, and her heart sank. But she didn't give up. And then a storm came. Her shed, her heart ached. But she didn't give up. For a moment, she thought about quitting. But dreams don't give up, and neither did she. She wiped her tears and decided to try again.
She rebuilt it stronger than before. Each plank she hammered, each step she took, brought her closer to her dream. And one magical morning, her bread was perfect, golden, warm, and full of love. She had done it. Her hard work had finally paid off.
The same ones who once laughed now stood in line. They marveled at her bread and admired her determination. Her dream had become real. She had worked, she had fallen, but she never gave up. Her dream was real, her heart was full, and she knew anything was possible with patience and hope.